Bror Fredrik coming at you with another video. Tonight I am at the New Orleans. This is a most requested video. I've never actually filmed here before. So tonight we're gonna go walk around the casino floor and see what's what. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially hit that bell button to get notified when new videos come out. And don't forget to stick around to the very end. I'm gonna drop the 9% word up here. According to YouTube's own stats, 9% of all viewers stick around to the very end, and I'd love for you to be one of them. So let's go check out what the Orleans has to offer, and I'll be back right after this. Don't know how much narration I'm gonna do. Depends on the music, depends on the crowd. This would be considered a local casino, but a lot of tourists stay here too. It's a big property, Boyd. So enjoy the views.
Yeah, it's the first time there. Oh, really? Debate?
That's pretty awesome.
Tons of video poker machines in here. They have some pretty generous video poker too. It is about 11:30 on a Saturday night. Rows and rows of video poker. Typical of Boyd properties, they do have a bowling alley. We're not gonna go up there though. Kind of seen one, you've seen them all. Big sports bar. We'll work our way back around to the Alligator Bar in a bit. But check out the sports book. It's huge. Big Al's Oyster Bar. I've never eaten here. One of these days. Let's see what's what. Big Al's special, 50 bucks. Lots of buffalo. Friday is packed on a Saturday night. Buffalo. This is their food court. Fuddruckers, Sbarro. I haven't eaten there in years in New York.
It's rad.
Poker room's got plenty of activity. They have a lot of off-brand machines here, like most Boyd properties do. Not saying they're bad, but they do. Walking Dead machine. That was actually the first slot machine video I ever watched on YouTube. Was Walking Dead machine. There's a good bank right here. The first and second. And the last one on this bank. This is the arcade and the movie theater. And you can smell the popcorn down here. I'll show you the other Buffalo. You guys know I love Buffalo. The other Buffalo machine that's good in here. I don't know if they're open yet. I think they're closed. Well, they're closed now, obviously. Not sure if they're open. I'll have to check into that. There's the no smoking section. I'll show you another good Buffalo. If you're following along, it's the first one. Oh, the second one's got a bonus going, but it's the first one. That's a good one. Up there she goes. Bang. You can see what I mean about the off-brand ones. Haymaker, Fortuna, Wicked Winnings. Not saying they're bad. But again, there's a local property for the most part. So the percentage technically should be a little higher here. Can I confirm or deny that it is or isn't? Hey, ladies. I want to take a look at one of these poker machines real quick. Let's check out the pay on one of these. Let's see. Right, hold on, we'll figure it out. Let's do bonus. 851. Not so good. But let's keep it moving. I know everyone wants to see the Alligator Bar. We're heading over there now. See the Rumble machine, Black Diamond. These are machines you don't see anywhere else, really. I like double bonus myself. But mathematically, bonus poker is probably the best. Mathematically. show you the other one. I'm pointing out all the buffalo machines for you. This one that she's playing is a payer. Oh, she's in a bonus right now. And this one right here, this guy's playing. He's not doing too good.
Well, I can play craps.
And that is the table games over there, but we're not gonna walk over there. Eventually, all those table games will be replaced by what you're seeing over here. That's a given, it's just a matter of time. And the world famous Alligator Bar. Shout out Alligator. I've never seen these buffaloes. If you haven't figured it out already, buffalo is my favorite slot machine. That's a big old gator. Adler and Birch. Cocktails and dining. That definitely looks good. And again, table games. Let's just walk over here real quick. And I have eaten here. Well worth it. If you're into prime rib.
Because I beat my average. I know I
High limit room. And there's the registration area. Waiting for someone to hit that mega bucks. 12 million. Usually hits between 12 and 13. Java Vegas. They have great coffee, but it's so hard to catch them open. And these are all of Boyd's other properties all over the United States. Dig that. Sam's Town, I have a video on Sam's Town. Aliante, that's another one I'll do for everyone. Everyone asks me about Aliante. That's up north. I'll go and do one of those soon too. Cannery, not missing much. Suncoast, nice place. Gold Coast, we've been in and out of there live before. It's always been fun. You famous now. And this is the East Side Valet, where I'm parked. Hope you enjoyed that walking tour of the Orleans casino floor. Look at all those beautiful balconies. And right now I'm gonna drop the 9% word of the day right up in this corner. Bam, again, drop that in the comments. It'll let me know and YouTube know that you did indeed stick around to the very end, and that helps the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can do that with Patreon, get a channel membership, or click on any links in the description below. And specifically, Olight, which is I am proud to have as my channel partner. Isn't that beautiful out there? Use my link and my coupon code and get 10% off any EDC product that they have in their line, including the best flashlights in the world. And I ain't gonna lie. And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.